Picture this. You've had a long day at work, and you finally get home. Your stress levels are through the roof, and all you want is a moment to unwind. However, instead of relaxing or engaging in healthier activities, there's a strong urge to switch your browser to incognito mode to do things that you've told yourself countless times you won't do. You know it's not beneficial, and you try to resist, but the pull is overwhelming. Despite your efforts to fight it, you eventually give in, seeking temporary relief from stress or a fleeting sense of pleasure. This cycle repeats, gradually reinforcing the addiction and deepening its impact on your life and relationships. If this sounds familiar, you are not alone. Today, we are tackling the topic of porn addiction and how you can overcome it. Porn addiction affects more than 50% of the world population and has profoundly impacted individuals and relationships, leading to the destruction of lives more than many realize. Beyond its immediate effects on personal well-being, such as psychological distress and decreased productivity, it can strain intimate relationships and erode one's sense of self-control. This addiction often escalates, affecting not only the individual, but also their social interactions and overall quality of life. In this video, we'll explore the reasons behind its grip on us and, more crucially, how we can liberate ourselves. Let's delve right in. First, let's look at why people get addicted. Understanding why it happens is the first step to overcoming it. So, let's break it down. The science behind addiction. Like many other addictions, porn addiction is deeply rooted in the brain's reward system. When you watch porn, your brain releases a chemical called dopamine. This feel-good neurotransmitter creates a rush of pleasure and reinforces the behavior. Over time, your brain starts to crave that dopamine hit, and you may need more and more of it to achieve the same level of satisfaction. This is known as tolerance. Your brain essentially rewires itself to seek out this high, leading to compulsive behavior. Psychological factors. It's not just about the brain. Psychological factors play a huge role too. Stress, loneliness, boredom, and even underlying mental health issues like anxiety and depression can drive someone to seek solace in watching adult content. This type of content becomes a coping mechanism, a way to escape from real-life problems. The cycle of addiction continues because the relief is temporary, leading to more consumption and deeper addiction. The impact of porn addiction. The impacts of porn addiction can be far-reaching. It can affect your relationships, leading to intimacy issues and unrealistic expectations. Your productivity and focus at work or school might suffer. And let's not forget the toll on your mental and physical health. Being addicted to explicit content can lead to feelings of guilt, shame, and even depression. It's a cycle that can feel impossible to break, but there is hope. Now that we understand how people get addicted to porn, let's look at how you can quit. 1. Habit swap. Reaching for your phone is tempting, but what if instead you grabbed a book or went for a run? According to Dr. Judson Brewer, an addiction psychiatrist, consciously replacing a not-so-great habit with a healthier one can rewire your brain, reinforcing positive behavior. It's not just a simple switch. It's like telling your brain, hey, there's a better way to do this. Choose an activity that gives you a sense of achievement, like reading or cooking. You could also try doing several push-ups or any other exercise whenever you get the urge to watch porn. Over time, these new habits can be just as satisfying as the old ones. 2. Seek support. You don't have to do this alone. It's common to fear judgment, but seeking connection is crucial. Engaging in social activities offers distractions from porn. According to author and expert Johann Hari, the opposite of addiction isn't sobriety, but connection. It flips the script on how we usually think about overcoming addiction. It's not just about abstaining from something. It's about filling that void with something meaningful. So, build a support network for yourself that can give you both a sense of belonging and accountability. Reaching out to friends or joining a support group can be uplifting during tough times. 3. Identify triggers. Understand what triggers your urge to watch adult content. Is it stress, boredom, or loneliness? Once you know your triggers, you can develop strategies to avoid or cope with them. This might mean changing your environment, finding new hobbies, or reaching out for support when you feel vulnerable. Taking proactive steps to manage your triggers can make a significant difference in breaking the cycle. 4. Develop healthy habits. Replace porn with healthier activities. Exercise, read, pick up a new hobby, or spend time with loved ones. Keeping yourself busy with positive activities can reduce the urge to watch explicit content. Boredom is often the result of turning to porn just to get a spike of dopamine. An idle mind is the devil's workshop, as they say. So, keep yourself occupied with productive activities, and you won't get any chance to indulge in this bad habit. 5. Finally, instead of using technology for self-deprecating practices, use it to your advantage. Incorporate apps and software designed to block porn sites and monitor your progress. Tools like Covenant Eyes are invaluable for maintaining commitment to your goals. You can find the link in the description below. Covenant Eyes monitors online activity and sends detailed reports to a trusted accountability partner, offering transparency and supportive feedback. By leveraging these resources, you not only create a barrier against temptation, but also gain valuable insights and encouragement on your journey towards overcoming porn addiction. Remember, overcoming porn addiction is possible. It takes time, effort, and support, but you can do it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And as always, leave your thoughts and questions in the comments below. We're here to support each other. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.